When do we want it? The Fulanis are not indigenous of Nigeria. The Fulanis are not indigenous of Nigeria. The Buhari government invited from all West Africa to come to Nigeria to kill us. They're killing the indigenous. They're killing the indigenous. Nigeria is stealing. People are dying day by day from the hands of the terrorists. People are dying day by day from the hands of the terrorists. People are dying day by day. UN, what are you waiting for? 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 UN, what are we waiting for? UN, what are you waiting for? What do we want? Referendum! What do we want? Referendum! When do we want it? Now! When do we want it? Now! Break Nigeria to save lives! 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 Break Nigeria to save lives!